Spaceport. So this is the project that we are working for that stuff for a long time. And just let me give some kind of very quick information about the Spaceport. So the problem that we resolve in free viewpoint video is like that. So I mean, in the first video, as you see on the left side, it is a rectangle, and on the right side, the video in today, it is much more higher resolution and great colors. On the other hand, we are still looking at a rectangle. So the concept generally is same. The quality is much more better. So in here, we just create a solution. And in this solution, you can just watch the video in any kind of angle. So this is why it is called free viewpoint video. You can just define where to look at the video. So when we say such of stuff, generally people are asking about what is the difference between the free viewpoint video and the VR or the 360-degree video. So in the free viewpoint video, you have the option to have 6 degrees of freedom. You can just go forward, backward, go to the right, left, up and down. On the other hand, in the 360-degree video, you just have that pan, tilt, or these kind of stuff in your in these angles. I mean, in these angles, you can just change that stuff. So that free viewpoint video just provides you a much more better experience. So how we are doing that stuff? So we have just a similar kind of studio, and we have number of cameras around there. So we just capture the people generally here, and then we train with AI to create a 3D model of the stream generally. So after we make the training and creating the models and the other stuff, we support it. We just convert it to a stream, and then we provide a playback, video playback experience. So just let me click it here. My colleague will just provide you another demonstration with by sharing his screen. So in this video, I'm just moving the camera angle with my mouse. So my colleague will provide you later in a couple of seconds. So the point in the free viewpoint video or the volumetric video, there are two main things which are the differentiators. One of them is the bitrate. Generally, when you watch a volumetric video, the bit rates are very high. The solution that we have created, even if it is something very simple, the bitrate, the video quality is in a quality that we can play in our internet speeds. So it can be playable in today's internet speeds. So this is one of the big differentiators. And the second thing is that for the volumetric video players, generally you need to have some kind of other applications to play it. Or VR headset or some other stuff to just native applications, blah, blah, blah. The point here is that we can play it on web browsers. So you don't need to install any kind of application. You don't need to install VR applications or you don't need to VR headset. You can just play it directly with your web browser. So that I'm just giving the stage to my colleague, Hamid. Could you please just
hello guys, good to see you, everybody. So I am the actually responsible guy from Spaceport, which is the sister company to Ant Media. So firstly, I'm gonna show you some demo by myself, but then after that I'm gonna give you some links and you are gonna experience yourself with these links, the same demo. So firstly, I'm gonna share my screen with you guys. So everybody sees, right?
Yeah, I can see.
Yes.
Okay, so this is our first preview video demo. So in here, as you see, I just drag the mouse and I can see this yoga performance data from any angle I want. From here, for example, here, everywhere. So in here, actually, all the images you see online actually coming from our server. So the server renders all the images online and sends back to me right now. And there is no video format or something right now with this one. We are just streaming the images from the server, which is actually on AWS right now. And as you see from here, and you can zoom in, zoom out as well. And so the point in here, as you see, we are just limited to 180 degrees, but at the end, I mean, it's gonna be very soon actually. We are gonna expand, the coverage to full coverage, which is 360 degrees. So right now we have this coverage, and as you see from any angle you want. Okay, so let me share the links with you guys. So there is one demo actually, so which is you are gonna guess who this guy is. So this Oz, and we have another demo. So with Oz as well. Again. So this actually it's like you are seeing a 3D model of the person in the middle, right? But actually this is not like 3D model. So we are just getting the image from the server from exactly that perspective and at the depth, So on the so I'm gonna share the links with you guys right now. Okay, so as you see, we have two of them. The first one is the one with the yoga performer lady, and the other one is with the Oz. So I'm gonna actually, yeah. So you got. Okay. Do you have any problem viewing any kind of? Everybody see the the video without any problem? Let me check if there is a. Okay, yeah, I have like 12 and 5 in here. Again.
So okay.
Mm-hmm.
So just go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. No worries.
Yeah, right now I didn't think that we are gonna that many. So maybe I could have get one server more up and running. And right now I have just one server. But so far I didn't see any problem with the server speed and the FPS and other stuff. So right now everybody should be able to see the the video without any problem. So this is what actually shows me.
Yeah, okay, thank you. For the use case, our main idea to just for entertainment, for the solo performance stuff, for that thing, and later our plan is to increase the size that we can capture and eventually to broadcast the basketball match in NBAs or some kind of UFC fighting or the similar things. So this is the target, to just reach to that industries and sell a capturing and streaming solution for them.